Shooting light.
Those six go all.
Same group. Yeah, might as well get things going. Or not. There you go. You got it.
No.
Single. 3.
Kill him for you. Something to trade. Let him go.
That hen's coming back. That. Oh, I didn't know you picked up a duck. Take him.
Drake Mallard.
Take him.
You want him? What the fuck? Oh, you hit him.
Almost think I'd go out on the boat and just get the ones we have. It's not that bad right now.
Yeah, it's just we're gonna pull it all the time. We're just gonna take it. I think this guy's an off guy.
Yeah, but I just don't like them all floating over there either.
Look at that deer on top of the fish.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have one of those extension poles that would have. Oh shit! Oh, these are seagulls. That one's a duck though. Is it a drake widgeon?
It's a hen widgeon.
Yeah.
Hen widgeon. Fuck you, I'm gonna shoot it.
Frosty.
We'll shoot on 3 or no?
3
back ones. 1, 2, 3. Got 2.
Behind you. Right here.
Don't let him go further. Really quick.
7,
Behind us?
10.
10?
Only the drake.
Drake?
Well, quick hunt update. It's been a whopping 30 minutes, and we are 1 away from our limit. Happened really fast this morning, and we're kind of happy about it because in about an hour and a half, the wind is supposed to switch from the west to northwest and rip about 45 to 50 mile an hour. And we kayaked out here, so we want to get the heck out of here before that stuff happens. Mixed bag again, widgeon, mallards. That's all we got, widgeon and mallards. Widgeon and mallards. Things are cold. First good frost of the morning of the season. Sun is just caressing over the hillside. One other group out here, but he set up on the opposite side. Wind at his face. Haven't heard him shoot. But we kayaked on over, and it's paying off. These birds are working great, coming right in. Geese, not so much. They're being pretty dang picky this morning, but probably wouldn't surprise me if they were the ones we shot at yesterday. Seen a sandhill crane flying over, a couple deer. Just a good morning. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. Like, comment, subscribe. We got one more. See you in a bit.